I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I worked at IRS for 10 years, a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. This August, I'll been doing this for 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Welcome to my YouTube, the 5-minute home of the 5-minute video. If you want to see me in a coat and tie and in my office, you can go to my website at 777irs.com. And you can see all my news interviews. I've been on Fox, ABC, Briefing Room Washington, ABC, NBC, Newsmax. I've been in a lot of stations. You can simply go ahead and find them. I have a whole team of brilliant former IRS agents on staff, our revenue officers, revenue agents, tax attorneys, CPAs. So we really, in fact, go ahead and do everything really that you need to know. So anyway, what I want to talk to you today about is the IRS pre-qualifier tool. If you want to find out if you're eligible for the offer and compromise, you can go to the IRS pre-qualifier tool. That's a great thing to go ahead and do. It really is. I think that you just go ahead and see if you're eligible, but that's not the end all. IRS, the key is to find out if you're eligible, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to get actually the lowest offer and compromise. What that does is it tells you generally, based on the information you give to them, whether IRS thinks it's a go or not. And that's fairly accurate, but the problem is you're not going to get the lowest offer and compromise. You need to know that now. Remember, as a former IRS agent, I accepted offers and I denied offers and compromise. So what's the secret to getting the lowest offer? It's simply this. You're not going to be, and I'm not doing this to pat myself on the back or say, gee, you really need a professional, because YouTube has a lot of people that do it yourself, and that's fine. I got a crap load of educational videos to tell you how to do stuff. But if you have a high dollar offer and compromise, anything over $50,000, if you go to a professional who knows what they're doing, they're going to take your financial statement and they will be able to find out, I guarantee you, because I've been doing this all my life, a way to get a lower offer and compromise by looking at your financial statement. Say, you know, if you do this, 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 and this, and I'm not going to tell you because I'd be giving everything up, and I can't tell you what all that is, but you may be able to get a lower offer and compromise. So me, by telling you this, if you go through the pre-qualifier tool and you owe quite a bit of money, it's probably worth a free consultation to have me, a former IRS revenue officer who worked the offer program, and Peter Salinger, who's worked over 2,000, maybe 2,500 in offers for IRS, to look at your offer and compromise and see if we can make it lower. We do it for free. By the way, if you retain us, I don't take a case, never have, if I can't help you. But if you want to do this yourself and you don't owe a lot of money, the IRS pre-qualifier tool is a very good place to start. If you're going to do an offer, know that an offer and compromise takes about a year to get through, and usually the IRS agents will go ahead many times and ask for a new financial statement when you get there. A couple things that you need to know is that very simply this. Make sure you are current on your estimate payments or your withholding, or they're going to send it back. Make sure all your tax returns are filed, or they're going to send it back. And know that you must be current for the next 5 years if IRS accepts your offer. You got to have all your returns filed and everything and paid, or IRS is going to reject the whole thing. So just know that. I do encourage you, if you think you can do this yourself, have at it, but it's going to be a grinding process. I'm going to let you know. Thank you for listening. If this information was good, please give me a subscription. We thrive on those, and we have a great team. But anyway, best of luck with your case.